Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel School at Home 2121 where you learn something new in every video. So today we are going to learn gender of animals. So let's start the video. But before we start this video, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. So let's get started. The very first animal is cat. So the masculine of cat is tomcat and feminine is queen cat. Next in the queue is dog and bitch. Next animal is stallion and mare. Next in the queue is drake and feminine is duck. Next animal is, yes, you all know it. It is rooster and the feminine is hen. Next is deer and doe. This is drone and feminine is bee. Next animal is bull and cow. Next in the queue is tiger and tigress. Yes, this is lion and lioness. Next animal is he goat and she goat. This is ram and ewe. Next animal is mule and the feminine is molly. This is he wolf and she wolf. Next in the queue is peacock and peahen. Look at the beautiful colors. Next is fox and vixen. Next animal is gander and goose. This is swan and feminine is pen. This is again stallion and the feminine is mare, but the animal name is zebra. Next animal is pig. The masculine of pig is swine and the feminine is sow. This is the end of this video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel School at Home 2121. Take care. Bye-bye.